is Nishan Kumar. I am from SNS College of Technology. Let we move to the topic is artificial intelligence in healthcare and integrated approach to healthcare delivery. The main types of objectives is the symptomatically affecting us in hyper-variable currently practice and guidelines the variability of experience in medicine. The traceability and the two-way outcome tracking suffers. This can lead to suboptimal handling of the disease. AI needs machine learning facilities, heightening diagnostic sensitivity, specificity, and treatment. And the machine is made to learn the various parameters, including symptoms, behaviors, biochemical, and pathological variables, among others. With help of a specially designed software, the computer can develop effective learning. The next topic of innovations in medical and biological engineering. In 1950s, the artificial kidney, X-rays, electrocardiogram diagram, cardiac pacemaker, and antibiotic production technology. And 1960s, heart valve replacements, intraocular lens, ultrasound, vascular grafts. And 1970s, computer-assisted tomography, artificial hip and knee replacements, balloon catheter endoscopy. And 1980s, magnetic resonance imaging, laser survey, vascular grafts, recombinant therapeutics. In new generation of medical technology, products are combination of different technologies which lead to the crossing of borders between traditional categories of medical products such as medical devices, paramedical products of human tissues. The application of artificial intelligence in medicine has two main branches. The first one is virtual branch and the second one is physical branch. The virtual branch is virtual component is represented by machine learning and also in deep learning, the mathematical algorithms that improve learning through experience. The three types of machine learning algorithms is unsupervised, supervised, reinforcement learning. Benefits of artificial intelligence in medicine. Artificial intelligence can definitely assist physicians, clinically decision making, better clinical decisions, replace human judgment in certain functions areas of healthcare. Up-to-date medical information from journals, textbooks, and clinical practices. Experienced versus fresh clinical. 24/7 availability of experts. Early diagnosis, prediction of outcome of the disease as well as treatment. Feedback on treatment. Reinforcement non-pharmacological management. Reduce diagnosis and therapeutic errors. Increase patient safety and huge cost savings associated with the use of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in prediction of physical branch is it includes physical objects, medical devices, software statistics, robots for delivery of care, robots on surgery. Growth driver of artificial intelligence in healthcare is increasing individual healthcare expenses, larger geriatric population, imbalance between health workforce and patients, increasing global health care expenditure, continuous shortage of nursing and technician staff. The number of vaccines for nurses is 1.2 billion in by 2020. Artificial intelligence is and will help medical practitioners effectively achieve the tasks and with minimal human intervention, a critical factor in meeting increasing patient demand. The potential challenges is development cost, integration issues, data privacy and security, data exchange, state and federal regulations, rapid and iterative process of software updates commonly used to improve existing products and services. Future India scenario is collaboration between medical and technical institutions, stop working as silos, remove firewall of clinical load and hope of IPR. Government funding more intelligent and result oriented rather than you what. Current status of medical records is incommunicable silos of wasted information for the health system and for knowledge acquisitions. Laboratories and clinical need to collaborate to accelerate the implementation of electronic health records. Data need to be captured in real time and institutions should promote their transformation into intelligible process. Simplify verification, readability, and clinical utility of data sets is each result must be questioned for its clinical applicability, aim for increasing their clinical value and decreasing health costs. Electronic medical or health records is essential to for personalization medicines